How to book Grab taxi in advance for Philippines. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your Grab application is updated to its latest version on your device. So just go to the Play Store application and search for Grab application over here. Now, as you can see, it has an update available. So I'm just going to update the application. Now, while it gets updated, I'm going to go for the Grab application and make sure that you're logged into your account and you have also set your location settings on. After that, what you need to do is just you can see the option of different services. So just tap on car or taxi. So here you can see the option of making an advance booking. So just tap on that, and as you tap on this option, so you can have an plan ahead stress-free journey, on-time pickup assurance, extended wait time, or cancel for free up to 1 hour before. So you just have to select a date when you want to book for, and you have to select a time for when you want to book this booking for. After that, tap on book in advance and you don't have to worry for anything else. The driver details will be provided to you via this application itself, and also you'll be notified before the advance of this taxi or the cab is arrived to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.